everyone, Dr. Chris here, and in today's short video, I'll be showing you something very interestingly bad about image classification within ArcGIS Pro. It's got nothing to do with Pro, but a lot to do with how you do it. That is image classification. Here we go. All right, here I am back at the office, and we are going to do another quick unsupervised classification within ArcGIS Pro. So here we go. Here I've got my high resolution imagery. I have my color infrared from last time, which is lower resolution than the high res imagery. I also have my unsupervised classification that I did in the last video. I think I can put it up there for you guys to check out. Now I'm going to do an even better classification. This time, well, it's also going to be unsupervised as well. So I'm going to add the imagery right now. Go to the ribbon, go to the map ribbon, click on the data, and I'm going to add in this imagery right here. It's called DC19 AWM543. It's really great imagery. I hope you like it. Here we go. This is our imagery that we are going to use unsupervised classification for. So once again, what we do is we click on the imagery to ensure that it is selected. We go to imagery, then we go to classification wizard. Once again, I like unsupervised classification, so I'm going to go with unsupervised classification. This time I'm going to stick with object-based, and the schema I'm going to use once again is default, which is NLCD 2011. Next. I'm going to leave the segmentation default just like last time. There we go. We've got our previewed segmentation. Coffee cup. There we go. We've got my previewed segmentation. Once again, going to leave all of these defaulted. All right. Now we've got a previewed classification. Looks fantastic. I'm going to leave everything defaulted once again. I'm going to change the classifier to the previewed ISO. And I'm going to continue running it. There we go. We've got a great classified image. I'm going to go to the next step, which is where we select our classifications. And this is where I say, what the was I thinking? Now, what's plain to you is that this is not an image that we should be classifying within this area whatsoever. While image classification is an extremely powerful tool, it can also be misused like crazy. To quote a very famous scientist, just because you can do something doesn't mean that you should. Of course, this was a very extreme example of where you should not be using image classification, but you can see within ArcGIS Pro, it is simply a tool that allows you to do some pretty major damage if you're not thinking properly. There's some basic image criteria that should be looked at very carefully before we go into image classification. Here's a basic set of criteria that we should be looking at before we even get to image classification within ArcGIS Pro. That includes context, shape, size, pattern, tone, texture, shadow, site, association, and resolution. I'll be talking about these in another video. In this short, lighthearted video, I just wanted to show you that image classification is just something you shouldn't be pounding through ArcGIS Pro without a whole thought process behind it. Again, more videos to come. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, add me to your LinkedIn, or even better, share my videos through your networks. Until next time, I'm Dr. Chris. Keep rocking.